Hi, this is Chris Escato, VP of Sales for Salamander Designs, and I'm here at Infocom 25. And here we're showcasing one of our 21-inch deep cabinets. Now this is a completely freestanding cabinet, and we have a 110-inch LG display on this. Now this particular cabinet is also fully backed, and this allows us to get some speakers on the side along with cameras on the side as well. Now these cabinets are available in 6, 12, 21, and 30 inches of depth. All of them are able to hold the same amount of weight. So a 4-bay cabinet is UL listed to hold a 400-pound display. Now in this particular case, this display is lower because the cameras are raised up on the side. A lot of times this would be much higher and the camera would be below, say at 44, 46 inches. This cabinet also allows a lot of different storage options. So for example, we have a refrigerator in this bay over here. As you go down one, there's a pull-out rack cartridge. And then we have also trash recycling. Now this is just a few of the options we have. We also have standard shelves, pull-out shelves and drawers, so it can double as the hospitality cabinet in your meeting space as well. If you'd like to know more, go to salamandercommercial.com.